Hello, this is Lawrence Shapiro from Between Sessions Resources, and today I want to show you a new feature we've added called the Session Feedback Form. First, you just, of course, sign in. You'll go to betweensessions.com, click the Progress Accelerator, and then use your same username and password to log in. As you can see, I've got one client, Clark Kent, and what I'm going to do is select that client. You'll see his name, birth date, and this is my email address, but we'll pretend it's his, on top, and then your navigation on the left. Now I've already done the problem checklist with him, chosen techniques, and created a book, but you don't have to do that to do the feedback. You could just, if you don't want to create a book or to, print techniques for a client, you can just use the feedback feature by itself. So we'll just click here, and you can take a look at what the form looks like by printing blank, see blank form. See, it's pretty simple. They just rate the session on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different areas, and then answer a few questions. It takes about 5 or 10 minutes at most for a client to fill it out. At this point, we'll want to send it to the client. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now it's on its way, mailed successfully, and the client will find it in their email address. This is what your client sees in their email. You can see it's from, here's your feedback form at Gmail, and it just says Between Sessions Client Feedback. So they'll open their email, then click to provide your feedback, and there's the form. They'll simply click on the rating, which is essentially a measure of therapeutic alliance. Like this session went pretty well, and then fill in comments. They don't have to fill them in, but you can certainly encourage them to fill them out as candidly as possible. Click Submit, and it's on its way back to you. Now, as you can see, we're back on my dashboard, and the client's feedback form has come in pretty much instantaneously. It's right over here. It's going to be sorted by date, and we can just click here and view what the client put in. You can also, of course, print it out. Now you'll notice there's also a therapeutic alliance score. If we look at the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ratings, this is what's going to calculate a score, which is essentially the client's view about therapy and positive feeling about what's going on. And of course, you're going to look at the comments here. Hopefully that'll be consistent with what the score is, and then this will keep a running total of the therapeutic alliance, really a measure of client satisfaction as you proceed with therapy. The feedback form at the Client Progress Accelerator is a really simple and unique way to keep clients involved in therapy. Really just takes a few minutes of your time and the client's time, but keeps you connected between sessions and also prepares you for the next session. So again, you'll notice we have many different functions in the Client Progress Accelerator, and we're working on new ones as well. If you have any questions, go to betweensessionsresources.com and watch the full tutorial. Thanks, and see you next time.